wanted to do this video because I've actually been thinking about it for a while. I feel like on my channel, I kind of have this very wholesome, innocent, like cute vibe. And I just kind of wanted to like dispel some of that because it kind of makes me afraid to feel or to be like sexy. And it sounds really stupid, but that's just kind of like when I'm posting a photo on Instagram, I've been trying to be more okay with like posting stuff that isn't really my usual style, I guess. Not that I want to seem like a completely different person. I just do have this other side of me that is not like that. I don't know how to explain this. Okay, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty primer. I think this is like the smaller travel sized. And then I'm not gonna really worry too much about my forehead because my bangs are covering it. I don't really use primer, but for like every day or whatever, but I do use it when I want like a night out look and I want my makeup to be flawless looking. And then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Foundation Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear in 220. Honestly, like I'm just doing this video for fun kind of, but also for the reason that I said. I don't really mind having that, I guess, that feeling on my channel that I'm like that. Because for the most part I am, like even my real life friends would characterize me as that, I guess. It's just funny because I'll see comments like just saying how cute and innocent I am and stuff like that, and then it makes me feel like I need to keep everything I talk about very wholesome and stuff. And the truth is like I never really talk about my age on here because I'm having a hard time accepting that I'm getting older, but I am 26, and so I'm not like a young girl anymore. I'm a woman. I just feel like I've been kind of, I guess, I don't know how to say it. Like I'm not like, I guess I just feel a little bit like restrained from feeling like a full-ass woman because I'm trying to appease like the audience that finds me cute and like cutesy, which to be honest, for the most part, if I had to describe my personality, it probably isn't like badass, really sexy like woman. I think it's a personality trait. I just feel like that's not really what it's not one of my top 3 traits, I feel like, and that's not really the vibe that I give off. But anyways, I'm trying to just embrace my womanliness more, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do a primer. I just did concealer, and then I'm gonna do a primer. This is the Pro Filter Eye Primer in Visa Pink. I haven't actually used this before, so I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on. Let's just wing it. Babe, do you mind not typing while I'm filming? I'm trying out this primer because I'm wondering, lately I've been noticing that my eyeshadow doesn't stay on for very long. Like it stays on my actual lid, but anything above it, it kind of just goes away. And so then it looks like I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. Oh, before I get started with the rest of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do brows. I have this, the N Cosmetics one that I always use. Also, I feel like the reason I don't post sexy stuff too is not just because of my image or whatever. I think it's also because I just have been feeling very not appealing. Like, I don't know. I think that I've just been, oh my gosh, it just broke off a little bit. But anyways, I was just feeling like I'm not as, I don't know, I think I've just started looking at my body more and it's making me feel like weird, like I feel like I'm noticing that I don't have like hips or like I can't wear crop tops because I look wide because I don't have hips and stuff. Like I don't have a cinched waist. And I talked about it a little bit on my Instagram when I posted a photo in a swimsuit, because I was kind of like really tempted. Like I was like, this is a really pretty photo, but it looks so ugly because my body is like this instead of like this, if that makes sense. And so it's just hard for me lately to feel sexy, because I don't think I look sexy. And then I just posted the photo anyway because I was like, I was gonna Facetune it, was the point. I was gonna Facetune my body to go a little bit more in, and I ended up not doing it because I ended up not doing it most of the time because I just feel like if that's not actually how I look, then it's gonna be even more depressing that I posted a photo and everyone thinks I look like that, if that makes sense. I don't know, I just don't wanna lie to myself and to everyone who looks at that photo. Oh, I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this is the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks and Cinnamon, or Cinnamon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got to take over Fenty's Instagram a little bit a while ago-ish. That was a really weird way of saying that. But that was so fun, and I just like am very grateful. I use this in that story takeover, so that's why I thought of it. So, but I can never say thank you enough to you guys for letting me do this kind of stuff. I just like to rub it into my finger, and then it kind of melts as a color, and then you can apply it like this, and I think it looks really, really nice. This color in particular, so pretty. I want to try the other ones, but I've just been obsessed with this one. Okay, and then I'm not gonna just do that. I'm gonna smoke out my eye a little bit so that, I don't know if it's called smoke out, but I'm gonna like make it darker on the sides like I always do. I don't know how well this is gonna work with a powdered shadow after I just used kind of like a cream shadow, but I guess we'll see. I'm gonna use the 3CE Overtake palette. Wow, it looks busted. I'm just using this kind of dark brown color right here. I'm just gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna blend it out. I just like to put it on both my eyes first. Oh wow, this is blending in quite good. Ooh. Also, you know what's so weird, you guys? I was on Twitter and I saw this post that said that British people didn't understand or didn't know that when Americans say quite, it means like it's really nice. Whereas I think British people, when they say quite, it means like it looks okay, or it's okay. It has more of that feeling. And that was so weird to me. I had no idea that they had totally different meanings. If you're British, or I don't know exactly who uses the term like that, please confirm, because that tweet kind of blew up. So I'm assuming that a lot of people didn't know that, because that'd be kind of offensive if you were talking to an American and they were like, you look quite nice, and to you it's kind of like, thanks, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna take that brown color that I put here, and I'm just going to put it right here, my lower lash line area. I'll blend it out better. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shimmery color right here, and I'm gonna put it right here on top of the champagne color from Laura Mercier. I like the champagne color because I feel like it brightens that area, but I really want it to be more sparkly. Okay, and then I'm going to do eyeliner, and I have this Pixie by Whaley eyeliner. I'm gonna use this side, the brush tip, felt tip side, felt tip. I'm trying this thing where I like line on the waterline-ish or really close to where the lashes grow out from. And it's just so hard to keep my eyes open when I do that because it's like, you're just poking yourself in the eye. But honestly, this liner and the M Cosmetics one, these are like, sorry, I'm not opening my eyes because I'm trying to get my liner to dry. This one and the M Cosmetics one are really good for monolids because I just feel like throughout the day, because I'm blinking to survive, the liner starts smudging on top of my eye and it just becomes so black here. But this one and the M Cosmetics one are the only ones that don't do that. Okay, I'm going to just close my eyes for a little bit. Okay, so I think I waited long enough. Wow, I love this liner, it goes on so well. And then I'm going to just use the other side of this. It's a crayon, and I'm just going to lightly put this on my bottom right here, because I think the shadow kind of makes it dark, but I kind of want a little liner to intensify that. And this is like a black liner, so you gotta be light with it. Oh my gosh, okay, I think the eyes look really good. I don't feel like I need to do mascara, to be honest, because I don't think it's gonna show amongst the darkness here, but I'm gonna do it anyways, and I'll be right back. You guys already know how I do it. It's just the PMEL Glossier mixed together. Okay, we're finally done with the eyes. I'm gonna do blush now, and I found this blush from Laura Mercier, and it's so pretty. It's called Peach. Blush Color Infusion Peach. It looks like this. It's such a pretty color. Also, sorry the lighting is super off and changing. It's because the sun is in and out. I feel like every YouTuber says that, but I just feel like I have to say. Okay, I'm gonna do highlighter. I'm using my trusty ColourPop one. This is in Lunch Money. Just going to boop on my nose and then right here. Although I do feel like the highlighter that I just used is kind of a highlighty blush in itself. I don't know if that's what it's marketed as, but it does give me a nice glow. Okay, and then I'm gonna do bronzer, and I'm gonna use my blush brush. I'm gonna take this. This is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the Sunstalker. Just gonna put it under my cheekbones, my jawline, and here. Then I'm going to lift my bangs and put it on my forehead. Okay, cool. I'm gonna use that same color, and I'm just gonna contour my nose a little bit. I used to use the Tarte bronzer. I ran out. So I'm using this one for this part, and it works really well. Okay, I think that was good. I'm going to do my lips now. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm actually using a new lip color I wanted to try. This is from Honest Beauty. It's called Passion Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, this is so pretty. Wow, I really liked that. I've never tried anything from them before, so I'm pleasantly surprised. All right, I'm gonna finish this look with earrings. These are my kind of everyday but also going out earrings. They're from Style Nanda. They don't sell them anymore, so I always try and link some that are similar because I know you guys really like these earrings, but they're hard to find because they kind of like, they're like 3 hoops but connected into one earring. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is like my going out, I feel sexy and womanly look. I really wish I had one of those Milk makeup stamps. I would totally put one right here. Maybe I can make my own. Should it just be a dot or should it be an X? Let's just do a dot. feel like I'm gonna mess this up after I just took so long trying to make this look good. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. I can keep it. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I always run out of things to say once I get to the end of the video. I'm like, what do I say now? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my kind of, I feel sexy, I wanna go out and look like, ugh. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but this is like my more, I'm sexy, I'm feeling myself kind of makeup. So I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope that this will encourage any of you guys who feel like, who have mentally or have been boxed in by other people on how they should be, to, it's okay to be like multiple things. Like, I'm trying to tell myself, like, I don't have to dress a certain way because that's what people see me as. Like, I don't know, I think people on YouTube always say, like, if you're doing a YouTube channel, you kind of have to have like a brand. And so I think that messed with me a little bit because it made me unsure about whether I can make certain kinds of looks or dress a certain way, because I wanted to keep this like image of myself, which is dumb. And so I hope that for me and for you, if you guys are having trouble with something like this, I guess, you are totally should and allowed to be multi-dimensional, and you can be a very cute and adorable person but also be a hot mama. Anyways, I guess that's what I want everyone to take away from this, even myself. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I don't want to do the June thing because I don't want it to be like a cutesy video. Whatever. Goodbye. June.